teacher, why are you absent yesterday? Balay piklam 1 minute. Teacher, what is the reason? Naga ay kadaw? Student, I was absent yesterday because I'm not feeling well. Nga klam 1 minute namar ngam da shetbha. Teacher, what's wrong with you? JIUEP. Student, I have a fever. Nga don kakir sure. Teacher, did you get medicine? Pila yo dawai. Student, yes, miss. How I miss? Teachers, so today I won't take class. Te menta kasngi ngan shim class. Teachers, because we have a meeting with your parents. Namar bangi don jing yalang bat kikme kikpa jongpi. Teachers, how do you feel when your parents say that our son is so lazy? Kumno pisngeo lada kikme kikpa jongpi ki ang ba ukun jongi olong bajai pede. Student, we are shameful ngi sneo le rain. Teachers, the main objective of the meeting is that kajing mot kaba kong san jong kene kajing yalang kalong kaba. Teachers, because we see lots of you are not understand the meaning of education, punctuality, and disobey. Namar ni yo I jibon na phi pims ngeu tho ya kajing mot jongka ya kajing nang jing stat kajing biang por bat kajing bum kongo. Teachers, and one thing, it is very sad to see your result in the half-yearly exam because you are not doing well. But sakaway, kabakam ngausi, kalong, panpay yaka result, chi thanks nen jong pi, namar, pi klem lepha. Teachers, we the teachers, we expect some time for you. Ngi kum kinong hikai, ngi kmi inti a napi. Teachers, the more you read, the more you learn. Katta pidang pule, katta pidang tip shusho. You have plenty of time. Use wisely. Pay don chupon kapor, penran kam bhayaka. Teachers, forgets what you did in the last exam. Focus what you will do. Glad yakane ka exam kaladep. Panlek chikmot ka kabapin le. Teachers, this is not the end for you. This is the mistake that you have to learn. Kane kamde kachingkut yapi. Kane kade kaching bakla. Ba pi hab bantip bat banang. Teachers, I have nothing to say. Only people who work hard will reach the goal. Ngam don shu ban ang. Tang ki briu batray shitam. ki panpoi cha kathong. Student, thank you miss for your valuable stand and your advice. We will try to do our best. Khub shibon miss ya kapor bakordor jongpi bat ya kajing ai jingmun jongpi ngin persyang panle ya kaba bhatam.